Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're a new person, I warmly welcome you. Look at this. This is amazing. So I tried making this ice cream for the first time, and look at that, it came out bomb. It came out amazing. So I know you like it. If you're a new person, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and also share the video. If you're an old person, thank you very much for coming back. Please share the video and also give us a thumbs up. So let's get into it. So with this recipe, I am using this Oreo biscuits. This one have the brown cream inside, and I love this biscuit. I like it. And I'm also using about 2 cups of yogurt here. This is plain yogurt. It does not have any sugar in it, but you can choose any yogurt that you want. And I'm using 1 cup of sweetened condensed milk here. And with the thickened cream or heavy cream, this is the heavy cream that I'm using. I'm using about 4 cups of the heavy cream or whipping cream here. So you can go in for any amount of cups that you want. So let's get into the biscuits. Okay, so I'm just going to use my roller here to just beat my biscuits nicely here, so you can see. Or you can use any blender to just or your food processor to just make it crumble like this. Okay, so we're going to also beat or whip our cream, our heavy cream here. Going to just whip it to make it foamy or like very fluffy also. So I want to thank you all for your support and your love and your good wishes. Thank you all very much. So this is the texture that we go in for. Look at this. This is amazing. This is nice. Okay, so I'm adding my yogurt to it. You can decide to, for the yogurt, you can decide to use the strawberry, maybe flavor, any flavor that you want, but I decided to use the Greek yogurt, the raw yogurt. That's what I'm using. And I'm also adding my condensed milk to it. As I've said, you can decide to use raw sugar. That will always also be okay with your ice cream. I like this ice cream. I love it. And if you add the condensed milk at this stage and you don't take care, by the time you realize, just tasting it alone, you have finished your ice cream. Okay, already. So as you can see, I just transfer my cream into a very bigger bowl here. So I've just mixed everything well, and I'm adding my biscuits. As you can see, this is a very easy ice cream to make. And you know, I had a lot of this, and I still have some reserve in the fridge. The kids like it because, you know, you have a very large quantity of it. So as I'm saying, if you have not subscribed, please do well to subscribe and also share the video. Okay, thank you very much for all your support. So I'm just using my pan here. I'm just placing everything nicely in the pan. This is about some few minutes ice cream, and your ice cream is done. So I'm just placing everything in the pan here. Okay, I'm just dividing it nicely into my pan, and I will just cover it nicely. So if you want, you can leave it like this, or if you want also, you can sprinkle some biscuits on top of it. You can have an additional biscuit and you can sprinkle it on top like this. I think it gives it a very nice look, or a very beautiful look. So as you can see, I had an extra one there, so that's an extra bonus for me. That's an extra bonus for the house. So I'm just coming or going to just make sure that everything sticks together nicely here. And I'm going to cover this with a click wrap and just take it inside the fridge. For this one, I store it overnight. Yeah, I just left it in my fridge for overnight, but you can just freeze it for about 6 to 8 hours and your ice cream will be done. Look at this. This is very beautiful. After an overnight or the next day afternoon, Yeah, you can see this is really nice and beautiful, and you have the creamy part of it and also the chewy part of it. You will like this ice cream. Sorry, you will like it. Wow. Okay, so thank you very much for sharing this ice cream with me. Okay, so give out the recipe, also give it a try, and let me hear from you in the comments below. So if you have not been watching any of my videos, a video will pop up. Just watch it and give us a thumbs up. Okay, so thanks for watching, and bye for now.